today I'm going to show you guys how to do mocha flavored cold brew coffee. What you're going to want to do first is pour your cold brew into your glass, and I like to do about this much, as you can see, but you can do more if you like it stronger. Obviously, this is just how I prefer it. Then you're going to want to add your maple syrup. I like to use this for a sweetener because it's a better alternative than using sugar, and it also mixes in very well. Then you're going to want to take your chocolate syrup. You can use Hershey's syrup, any type of chocolate syrup. This is a homemade kind, which I'll also show you guys how to make in another video. It's only 3 ingredients and it's so good. And then you're going to want to take your heavy cream and add a splash of heavy cream. Again, you just add what you like best. Like if you want it more creamy, add more cream. Then you're going to want to take your mixer tool. This is such a handy tool to have. It incorporates all the stuff so easy. I forget what it's called, but if I think of it, I'll link it below. Then you're going to want to add your water to fill the rest of the cup up, and then just mix it a little more and add your ice. Again, I just love this tool because it really mixes it up really nicely. But yes, add your ice and you are all good to go, and you can enjoy your delicious mocha iced coffee.